Hello everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein, on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, November 15th, right in the middle of the month. We got red again, and all the press is saying 6 days down, 6 day losers, la 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 la. What is the rally is over? All the euphoric, irrational euphoria, enthusiasm, irrational enthusiasm is gone, and all that, la la la. I don't really think so. I think we've got a buildup of a couple of headlines, tax reformish, a couple of earning things, some talk and chatter about, global growth slowing down, even though last week the market was up 250 because of global growth growing. Apparently China is dragging on the market, and that's what happened. And some, discontent over in England, I think. That could be possibly what it is. But when there's a headline that's negative, as we've seen over the tax reform thing, over the last few weeks, that has sold the market off, although it's rebounded. I think the takeaway from all this is that every day that we've had somewhat of a sell-off for the last couple of days, let us not negate the fact that the market, with 6 days of small sell-offs, we're still at 23,270. Stop the madness. Market is really not going down. We did sell off 140 points. Spiders down 140 points. Russell off 7. Transports up 50. Gold down. A lot of red across the board. But the takeaway from this is we did not close at our lows. We did rally back from the emotional sell-off that happened this morning over the chatter of slowdown, global growth, and China, and the fact that the tax reform thing has not been etched in stone yet. So once you get a couple of headlines that seem to be negative, plus a little bit of perhaps profit taking, perhaps people are getting a little anxious and edgy that they are up big. Anybody who's been in this market over the last year is up, and Amazon down, a little tech sell-off there, and Target down $5, that's 10%. So there are some negative things underlying the sell side of the market, and a bit of a reversal in oil, profit taking there. So net at the end of the day, when you've got a buildup of headlines that seem to be negative and cause some anxiety, you're going to have a down market. Just plain and simple. I don't know if I want to read that much into it. I think if they were really jumping on board the sell train and people were getting down and dirty and saying, I'm out, this is over, this enthusiasm, irrational and exuberance, that's the expression. Irrational exuberance. If it was really that over, this market would be down 500 or 1,000 points, just like that, and it's not. It was down 200 at one point, closed down 140. We did close a little off the lows. Yeah, I'm a little upset about the fact that we did roll over and sell off at the end of the day. Net at the end of the day, it's not the end of the world yet. The irrational exuberance is not over. We did see some negative trends. I think the gold thing, I think the oil thing, and I think in the Spiders and Russell and Transport definitely dragged some stuff down with Amazon and Target. So let's see what tomorrow will bring. It's Hump Day Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, coming into the holiday week of next week with Thanksgiving. So let's reevaluate. Red across the board for sure. Definitely some anxiety and sell-off, no question about it. Do I think it's the end of the world? Absolutely not. So stick with it. Let's reevaluate tomorrow. We'll talk again. NYSE Einstein out from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. I love you all. Giddy up.